I'm going to be playing around with these step drills. These are from Harbor Freight. The item number on these is 91616. So these step drill bits here, they go from all the way from 3/30 seconds all the way up to 3/4 on the biggest one here. So I'm just going to go ahead and just try them out here on this sheet metal, and I kind of want to see how good these really are. And they're way much cheaper than the higher quality stuff that's available out there. Wow, that does a really good job. So I'm just going to keep on going here. So that easily let me go to 1/4 inch really quick without having to change drills. I think I'm going to go ahead and try some of the other ones. Now this one here, the steps are much smaller compared to the next one that I'm going to be using. Finally, try the larger taper that I have here. Wow, that works really good. And it also deburrs the hole at the same time. Alright, so that was my demonstration on the Harbor Freight or Warrior high-speed steel step bits, or step drill bits, whatever you want to call them. Again, item number 91616. I want to thank you for watching, and I will see you guys on the next one.